Hello everybody, and today's video I'm going to be showing you this magazine that I bought I think 20 years ago. Yeah, when in France, when they are still using French franc, no euro. So this is everything is in French. I don't read French, so I have to guess what it says. Okay, it's 1960. Salon 1959. So this is a magazine for Salon Automobile, which means motor show. Yeah, I'm going to skip some and I'm going to show you the weird ones. So this is how cars are displayed. Let me just bring it up. Back then, cut in half to show you the interior. First, we have Alpine. We all know Hot Wheels Renault Alpine. Yes, this is it. Hot Wheels Renault Alpine is something like this. Racing. This is weird. Looks like car from Little Tikes. But it works. The engine is in the rear. This is some French car. I don't know how to pronounce that. More French car. We all know this. 2CV. So I'm not going to talk much. They have 4-wheel drive 2CV. Look. I'm going to talk about this. The Citroen DS. They have this, these are the front seats and this is the rear seats. And what is this? Okay, they have this thing that you wind up so the window goes up. So you can have a private conversation without the driver hearing you. And you have this ashtray. Okay. Weird. And you have this spare wheel in front of the radiator. Won't it block the airflow? What's the point then? Okay, let me see if we have any more weird cars. The shapes are weird, but it's typical of the 1950s. Now look at this. How comfortable is this seat? Aha. How comfortable is this seat? Tell me. What were they thinking? There is a Jeep, which is called Hotchkiss, and a car called France Jet. And then there's this funny thing, Panhard, with the door that opens backwards and upwards. Tiger stripe seats. Boot space. This looks very modern. You have a low loading seal. I saw the shop selling this 143 scale. Maybe I'll get it. I think I will get it. Yeah, I will get it. Peugeot. We all know Peugeot 206, 207, but this is the 203, 403, 403 Grand Deluxe Cabriolet and Family. Family means familiale. Station wagon. Peugeot is quite a decent car. Nothing weird. Nothing weird. Seats, everything is normal. 404 is normal. What is weird is why they put the lady inside. Just to show you that it has room for another person. Pichon and Paran. Is it sounds like a Thai name? The car looks American. But the way the bonnet opens looks weird. Look at this. Renault. Okay, this is Renault 4 CV. And they have this innovative thing. Do you know what they are doing? What they are doing is they have 3 cars here. And then there is this rod that attach the car to the center of the circle. And it rotates. The car moves. And what they have here is cobble street, some potholes, and I don't know, is this sand? To show people the suspension of the car, which is very good. Renault Dolphin, yes. My grandmother told me she used to drive one of these. Anything else? Renault 4, yes, we all know this. This is weird because this is the front of the car, not this. Do we have this is just a drawing. Do we have the picture of the actual car? Nope. SIM car. What are they trying to say here? SIM car is pretty decent. The 1 million car, they make a banner which says 1 million car, and then they drove the car on the ramp and break through. A stunt. More SIM car, and this one, yeah, looks like an American car, but it is not. More stunt. 200,000. Simca Talbot. This looks futuristic. Now, this is Vespa. see Vespa, the scooter Vespa from Italy. Yep, they make cars as well. This type of car. And then we have other cars. Let's see if we can see anything weird. Mercedes, Porsche. This is Mercedes in the 60s. Porsche. Alfa Romeo. Fiat. Volvo. Volvo is like this. Mini. We all know Mini. The Harry Potter car, the Ford. Land Rover, yes. Not the Defender. This is the Series 1. And then we have the American car, the Chevrolet. Chrysler. No Japanese car. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you like this classic magazine motor show review. 1960. Now is 2022. So this is 62 years. Car 62 years ago. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.